sa lahat ng mga fresh graduate dyan na education yung course or kurso, para sa inyong lahat ito. Hello everybody! So if you like my content guys, click follow, subscribe, like, or anything you wanted. So you are here watching my video. Okay, so pinag-isipan ko talaga itong mabuti. I'm here in UAE for 3 months. Hindi pa huli na mag-vlog ako dito sa social media. Alright? Para sa lahat ng mga fresh graduate dyan na education yung course or kurso, para sa inyong lahat ito. At para din sa mga hindi pa naka-rank sa DepEd or para sa mga private teacher or even sa mga DepEd teachers like me na gustong mag-abroad. Okay, if you want to go abroad, tapos hindi nyo pa kaya mag-Canada, US, New Zealand, Japan, and all, and gusto nyo talagang makaalis na dyan sa Pilipinas, guys, this opportunity is for you. Be an assistant teacher here in UAE, United Arab Emirates. Ang requirements mo lang ay, una, you have to have TOR. So, kung may TOR na kayo, guys, at kahit sa PRC nyo lang na di ba may purpose yan sa baba? Huwag na kayo kumuha ulit ng TOR for abroad purposes. Okay lang yan. Next is diploma. And then after that too, kailangan nyo ipa-apostil yan. Alright, before nyo ipa-apostil, ito lang muna ang kailangan nyo meron sa inyo. TOR, diploma, certificate of employment with 1 year experience at least, and then you have to be 45 years old below. So, meaning if you are 38, 39, 40, 23, 22, you can apply to this position, this job. Alright? And then you have to prepare your placement fee. Okay, so your placement fee, guys, is equivalent to 1 month salary. So, for example, the salary is, for example, kasi dito, the salary is 40,000 pesos. So, yung placement fee is 40,000 pesos. So, ano ba yung agency ko? So, the agency of mine, is a 9K International Manpower Recruitment Agency. They have branches po. May branches po sila sa Luzon, Visayas, at saka Mindanao. Alright? So, my agency is 9K International Manpower, and you can just message them through WhatsApp, TikTok, or Facebook. Sa FB naman, you can search po. Yung maraming followers, yun din yung page nila. Sa TikTok din, meron din. And then, yun. So, if gusto nyo pang mag-dig deeper sa position or sa opportunity na to for abroad, lalo na sa mga fresh graduates, wag na kayo muna dyan. Lalo na mga bata pa kayo, guys. Explore the world, di ba? Make this as your stepping stone para makapunta sa abroad. And then, pwede ka nang, after this. Diba? So, if you have questions for this opportunity, you can follow me first para hindi mawala yung video ko sa inyo. Follow me first and then comment your question. Alright? I will be happy to answer those. And don't worry, if marami kayong magtatanong, promise sasagutin ko kayo at hindi ako magtatamad-tamad. I just want to help you guys and gusto ko lang din mag-content dito. So if you like my content, guys, click follow, subscribe, like, or anything you wanted, send stars like that. Alright? Thank you. Kinsamhamida. Shukran.